Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my beloved student of Minodrate Putra Gresik, especially my beloved student of second grade of ICB. How are you today? I hope you feel happy and healthy today. Okay everyone, in this time we are going to study mathematics. We will study chapter 8 by the theme multiplication. Still study with me, Miss Endah Trihana. Okay everyone, before we begin our lesson, to make anything more barokah, let's read Al-Fatihah together. Al-Fatihah. Amin. Okay, now please prepare your mathematics book. In this chapter, especially in this video, we will learn to add equal group and then we will learn to write multiplication sentences. Jadi anak-anak, dalam video pembelajaran ini, khususnya di chapter yang ke-8 ini, kita akan belajar untuk menambahkan grup yang sama dan juga menulis kalimat-kalimat perkalian. Are you ready to study? Here we go. Let's begin to the first point, that is adding equal group. Let's learn together. Kita mulai dari poin yang pertama, yaitu menambahkan grup yang sama. Look at the picture. Lihatlah gambar berikut ini. What do you see in the picture? Apa yang kalian lihat di gambar ini? Good job. There are apples. Ada gambar apples. And my question is, how many apples are there altogether? Ada berapa banyak apel yang ada di sana keseluruhannya? How to solve it? Bagaimana cara menyelesaikannya atau bagaimana cara menghitungnya? Let's begin. Let's analyze. Based on the picture, it can be concluded there are two group of apple. Ada dua kelompok apel. Each group has 3 apples. Setiap grup itu memiliki 3 apel. From the sentences above, it can be concluded 3 added by 3 is equal to 6. Jadi dari kalimat tersebut dapat disimpulkan bahwa 3 ditambah 3 sama dengan 6. 2 threes is equal to 6. 2 threes is the same as 2 group of 3. 2 threes di sini itu artinya sama dengan 2 grup dari 3. Ada 2 grup apel yang mana di setiap grup itu terdiri dari 3 apel. So, the answer is there are 6 apples altogether. Jadi jawabannya adalah ada 6 apel keseluruhan. Okay, let's continue to the second question. How many pairs are there altogether? Look at the picture. What must you do to answer the question? Apa yang harus kalian lakukan untuk menyelesaikan atau untuk menjawab pertanyaan tersebut? Good job. You must analyze how many groups are there. You must count it. There are 3 groups of pairs. Ada 3 kelompok buah pir, seperti yang bisa kalian amati di gambar tersebut. And then each group has 4 pairs. Dan setiap grup memiliki 4 pairs. Satu grup terdiri dari 4 pairs. So it can be concluded 4 added by 4 added by 4 is equal to 12. Jadi dari kalimat tersebut dapat disimpulkan bahwa 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4 sama dengan 12. 3/4 is equal to 12. 3/4 is the same as 3 groups of 4. Jadi 3/4 ini sama dengan 3 kelompok dari 4. 3 kelompok pair yang mana di setiap kelompok terdiri dari 4 pairs. So, the answer is there are 12 pairs altogether. Jadi jawabannya ada 12 buah pair keseluruhannya. Okay boys, now the time for you to answer the question number 3. How many bananas are there altogether? Look at the picture. How many groups? What must you do? You must analyze about the groups first. How many groups are there? Good job. There are 4 groups of bananas. How many bananas in each group? Berapa banyak banana dalam satu grup? Good job. Each group has 5 bananas. So, from the sentences above, it can be concluded that 5 added by 5 added by 5 added by 5 is equal to 20. Jadi, dari kalimat tersebut, dari gambar dan kalimat tersebut dapat disimpulkan bahwa 5 ditambah 5 ditambah 5 ditambah 5 sama dengan 20. For 5 is equal to 20. For 5 is the same as 4 groups of 5. Jadi, for 5 ini artinya sama dengan 4 grup dari 5. Ada 4 grup banana atau pisang yang mana di setiap grup itu terdiri dari 5 banana. So, from the sentences above, the answer is there are 20 bananas altogether. Number 4, let's continue to answer the question number 4. How many slices of cake are there altogether? Look at the picture. How many groups? There are 5 groups of cakes slice. There are 5 groups of cake slices. Each group has 6 slices of cake. Ada 5 kelompok potongan kue yang mana di setiap kelompok itu terdiri dari 6 potong kue. So from the sentences above can be concluded 6 added by 6 added by 6 added by 6 added by 6 is equal to 30. Jadi dari gambar dan kalimat tersebut bisa disimpulkan bahwa 6 ditambah 6 ditambah 6 ditambah 6 dan ditambah 6 hasilnya adalah 30. Can you complete the next question? Good job. 5, 6 is equal to 30. 5, 6 is the same as 5 groups of 6. 5, 6 itu artinya sama dengan 5 kelompok dari 6. 5 kelompok dari slice cakes yang mana dalam satu kelompok terdiri dari atau dalam satu kelompok memiliki 6 potong kue. So the answer is there are 30 slices of cake altogether. Good job everyone. Okay, now let's practice. Look at the picture. What are the missing number? There are 4 groups of 3. 3 added by 3 added by 3 added by 3 is equal to 12. 4 trees is equal to 12. And B, number 1B. What do you see in the picture? There are 6 group of 4. Ada 6 kelompok donat yang mana satu kelompok itu terdiri dari 4 donat. So it can be concluded 4 added by 4 added by 4 added by 4 added by 4 and added by 4 is equal to 24. So 6 fours is equal to 24. Jadi dari gambar tersebut dapat disimpulkan bahwa 6 grup dari 4 sama dengan 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4 sama dengan 24. 6 fours is equal to 24. 24 sorry. Number 2. Now the time for you. Let's complete together. Let's complete the question all together. How many cookies are there all together? Look at the picture and then please complete it. There are 5 groups of cookies. Ada 5 kelompok cookies. Each group has 7 cookies, yang mana di setiap grup itu terdiri dari 7 cookies. So, anyone knows what is the answer? Good job. 7 added by 7 added by 7 added by 7 And 8 by 7 is equal to 35. 5 sevens is equal to 35. Jadi dari gambar dan kalimat tersebut dapat disimpulkan bahwa 7 ditambah 7 ditambah 7 ditambah 7 dan ditambah 7 hasilnya adalah 35. 5 sevens is equal to 35. So the answer is there are 35 cookies altogether. Okay, everyone, you have studied the first point, that is adding equal group. Now let's continue to the second point, that is multiplication sentences. Let's learn together. Oke, kalian tadi sudah menyelesaikan poin yang pertama, yaitu adding equal group. Kita lanjutkan poin yang kedua, yaitu membuat kalimat perkalian. Let's begin. How many tomatoes are there altogether? Look at the tomatoes. How many tomatoes? How to solve it? You must analyze about the group first. There are 4 equal group of tomatoes. Ada 4 kelompok tomat. Each group has 2 tomatoes, yang mana di setiap kelompok itu terdiri dari 2 tomat. So from the sentences above, we can conclude that 2 add by 2 is equal to 8. Or it's same with 4 2's make 8. We can also write this way. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. We multiply 4 and 2 to get 8. There are 8 tomatoes altogether. Jadi dari gambar tersebut bisa kalian simpulkan bahwa ada 4 kelompok tomat, yang mana di setiap kelompok itu terdiri dari 2 tomat. Jadi 2 ditambah 2 ditambah 2 ditambah 2 hasilnya adalah 8, atau 4 kali 2 sama dengan 8. Bisa juga kita menuliskan atau mencari jawabannya seperti contoh yang ada di sini. Langsung 4 dikalikan 2 hasilnya 8. We multiply 4 and 2 to get 8. Kita mengalikan 4 dan 2 untuk mendapatkan 8. Jadi jawabannya ada 8 tomatoes, ada 8 tomat keseluruhan. Multiplication is repeated addition. Perkalian itu adalah penambahan berulang. 4 multiplied by 4 times 2 is equal to 8 is a multiplication sentences. 4 dikali 2 sama dengan 8. Itu adalah sebuah kalimat perkalian. It is read as 4 times 2 equal to x. Jadi 4 dikali 2 sama dengan 8. Itu dibaca 4 times 2 equal to x. Okay, now let's continue to the second question. How many legs do 3 cats have altogether? Look at the picture. Ada berapa banyak kaki dari 3 kucing tersebut? Ada berapa banyak kaki keseluruhan dari 3 kucing tersebut? How to solve the question or how to answer the question? You must analyze it. There are 3 cats. Each cat has 4 legs. Ada 3 kucing, yang mana setiap kucing itu memiliki 4 kaki. So, 3 times 4 is equal to 3 groups of 4. 3 dikalikan 4 itu sama dengan 3 grup dari 4. It is equal to 4 add by 4. The result is 12. 3 group of 4, 3 kelompok dari 4 itu sama dengan 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4, yang mana hasilnya adalah 12. We can also count on inward from 0. Kita juga bisa menghitungnya dengan cara seperti ini. Menghitung kelipatan 4 dimulai dari angka 0. Hasilnya juga sama, yaitu 12. 3 cats have 12 legs altogether. Okay, now let's continue to the third question. We can write multiplication story. Look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Good job. There are marbles. There are 3 rows. Ada 3 baris. Each row has 7 marbles. Yang mana di setiap baris itu terdiri dari 7 marbles atau 7 kelereng. Bla 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 times bla 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 is equal to bla bla bla. How to solve it? Anyone knows? Let's complete together. Titik-titik dikali titik-titik sama dengan titik-titik. Berapa kira-kira anak-anak? Good job. 3 multiply by 7 is equal to 21. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. 7 add by 7 add by 7. The result is 21. The answer is there are 21 marbles altogether. Jadi jawabannya ada 21 kelereng keseluruhan. Okay, now the time for you to do the activity. Please answer question below on your mathematics notebook. Sekarang waktunya kalian untuk berlatih. Silahkan kerjakan latihan ini di buku matematik kalian, buku tulis matematik kalian. Number 1, what are the missing numbers? You may look at the pictures and then solve the question. Number 1, 2, and 3. Please write the question on your mathematics notebook. After that, answer it. If you face the difficulties, you may ask to your parent. After you have finished your activity, you must submit to me to the Google Classroom. Jadi anak-anak, tugas kalian adalah mengerjakan latihan soal berikut di buku tulis matematik kalian. Nomor 1, 2, 3. Silahkan kalian tulis di buku matematik kalian, buku tulis matematik kalian. Setelah itu, kalau sudah selesai, silahkan dikumpulkan ke Google Classroom seperti biasa. Jika kalian mengalami kesulitan, kalian boleh bertanya ke orang tua kalian, atau kakak, atau mbak, atau mas kalian. Okay? Thank you so much for the time. Keep spirit, keep happy, and also keep healthy. Don't forget to pray 5 times in a day. The last I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.